What's going on, Daytona fans? In this video, I want to talk about something that I was able to catch on my dash cam. And you know, you just can't make these things up. They say people in Massachusetts are horrible drivers. I don't know, this lady from Ohio seems to be doing a lot worse than I've ever done. So let's take a quick look. So as you can see here, she's already kind of slowing down traffic because she appears to be lost, which is normal. You know, you're not expected to know everywhere you go. But then you'll see her come to a stop real quick. She stops in a one-lane traffic to double park. I don't know why, guys, but she does it, and then guess what she does next? She gets out of the car and attempts to cross the street. So now she's effectively blocking traffic and leaving her car in the middle of the road. And if you take a look right now, she's about to get hit by oncoming traffic, because there's no way someone can see another person coming when they're just stopped randomly like that. No one expects anyone to come out of their car and just cross the street in the middle of the road, but she does it. And you can tell right here that when she does it, the van doesn't see her right away, and she throws her hands up, kind of like, what's going on? Why didn't you see me crossing? Well, you know, you can't do that. You can't double park in the middle of the road to get out to cross the street. I mean, you know what? As I mentioned earlier, you can't make this stuff up. So she almost gets hit, and you can see her right here. She's kind of contemplating on what to do. Eventually, she gets back in her car and then drives away. Now, here's the real kicker. She could have driven about 2 cars up into a parking space. And you can see that in the video, that there is a parking space really close by, but she chose not to take it. Instead, she chose to stop traffic. She chose to park in the middle of the road. Guys, you know, I like to preach driving safety. Obviously, don't text, don't play with your phones when you're on the road, but really use common sense. Don't stop traffic just because you're confused and you want to cross the street for whatever reason. All right, especially when there's street parking right there. And really, if you're lost, just pull over somewhere. You know, you don't have to be this person who stops the world just because you need to figure something out. All right, obviously none of us wants to be in a situation where we're lost and confused, but there are better and safer ways to do that than what this operator did. I just wanted to drop this quick video for you guys just because I thought it was hilarious. At the same time, I definitely had a little bit of road rage because it was just so unexpected, and nobody does these things. Well, I guess I shouldn't say nobody, because she did. So next time you're out and about and you're lost, pull over. Guys, pull over and don't run across traffic expecting people from the opposite lane to stop for you. That's not their job. That's not how driving works. All right? So guys, be safe and drive safe. All right? And I know this really doesn't have anything to do with it, but you can always text later. It can wait. If someone wants to reach you, they'll call you. That's what a phone is for. Okay, don't text, don't go on social media. It's not worth it. I can tell you right now, if I decided to text and not pay attention for maybe a second or two, I would have ran right into her car. And you know what? That would have been my fault. So Daytona fans, have a great day and stay safe. Peace.